Are you tired of the traditional methods of making money online, like building a website, working as a freelancer, or spending money on ads? Well, I've got good news for you. Out of all the different ways to make money online using ChatGPT, this might be the easiest method to start with. And the best part, it's completely free. So come and explore the nitty-gritty with me. In recent times, there have been numerous revelations on how to monetize your ChatGPT skills, ranging from offering freelancing services of diverse kinds. Nonetheless, the tough competition that exists in the freelance marketplace can make it quite arduous to secure clients. But hey, I got some exciting news for all of you. I've uncovered a new and unconventional method that will blow your mind away. This approach involves utilizing three unique websites, namely Quora.com, ClickBank, and of course, ChatGPT. Let me provide you with a comprehensive explanation of all three of these websites that can help you earn money through ChatGPT. Firstly, Quora.com is a well-known social website that allows users to ask and answer questions on various topics. It's become the biggest question and answer website in the world, attracting millions of visitors daily. You can use Quora to provide answers to questions related to your area of expertise and include a link to your freelancing profile. This will help you attract potential clients who require your skills and services. Moving on, ClickBank is one of the most extensive affiliate marketplaces available online, offering thousands of affiliate products in different niches. You can sign up as an affiliate and promote products relevant to your skills and expertise. Once a sale is made through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. If ClickBank is not available in your country, you can use an alternative website like Digistore24. Lastly, Upwork, Fiverr, etc. are the ultimate platforms that allow you to showcase your skills and offer your services to potential clients. You can create a profile, highlight your experience and skills, and start bidding on projects. With the help of Quora and ClickBank, you can attract clients to your freelancing profile and showcase your portfolio. With the help of these three websites combined, you can start making passive income. Now let me show you how this method works in detail. Step 1. Head to Quora.com and create your free account. Once you're logged in, use the search bar to find problems you can solve using ChatGPT and ClickBank. We suggest focusing on three categories, namely health, wealth, and relationships, as these are some of the best if you're looking for quick results. For this video, let's use weight loss as an example. Step 2. Type weight loss in the search bar and you'll get endless results related to the topic. On the left side, you'll find filters to set the type to questions and the time to the past hour or day. By applying these filters, you won't find as many competitors as if you're trying to answer questions that have been posted a while ago. Step 3. Choose a question to answer, such as, does the time you eat matter for weight loss? Copy the question and go to ChatGPT to start a conversation. Ask the chatbot to split the answer into different sections and summarize it with bullet points at the end to stand out with your answers. Step 4. Once your answer is generated, copy it and get back to Quora. Click on Answer and paste the text generated from ChatGPT. To make it easier to read and look better, you can bold the main word or add spaces between the paragraphs, but don't post it immediately because we still have one more important step. Step 5. Find a product to promote on ClickBank or an alternative affiliate marketplace. Search for a product related to the question you're answering, such as weight loss. Choose your favorite answer and generate your affiliate link. We've decided to choose the smoothie diet. Step 6. Add the affiliate link to the answer on Quora. You can do this by adding a new section to your answer, such as personal recommendation, then pasting the product name you're promoting. Add the link to the product name and you're done. Congratulations! You've just completed the process of earning commissions on autopilot using ChatGPT. Remember, every online business requires time and effort to start seeing results, so don't expect overnight success. But if you're consistent with this method, you can start making passive income in no time. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or feedback, do leave them in the comments down below. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.